Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohinder Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Dear friends, today we will discuss on the subject tourism and hospitality, paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparation and tour designing. Module 35, product-oriented package tours. Let us start with the learning outcomes. After completing this module, students will be able to understand the concept of product-oriented package tours, various types of product-oriented package tours, know the procedure for preparation of product-oriented package tours. Let us start with the introduction. During the recent 2 decades, tour operation industry has witnessed numerous changes globally. These changes have a profound impact on the product line of travel agency and tour operations. Interestingly, numerous product-oriented tour packages have been evolved into our operation market to cater the diverse requirements of tourists. In fact, market forces have changed the behavior of both buyers and sellers in the tourism industry. Thus, each package tour varies from others according to the market demands. For example, a pilgrimage package will be different than beach resort package and vice versa. Thus, adventure tour packages are generally meant for youths. Moreover, numerous tour packages have been offered by the tour operators to meet the diverse requirements of the tourism market. Thus, under such circumstances, it is difficult to make a permanent itinerary. Any favorable or most demanded tour package, tourist area or circuit may become outdated, out of fashion anytime. In this model, a few model product-oriented packages such as hill resort, winter resort, desert and beach will be described. Some of these packages are hypothetical while others are actually in demand and are being offered by tour operators. In previous models, preparation of tour package has been dealt in details, explaining the various ingredients of the tour package like itinerary, route map, costing, pricing, publicity and selling, etc. Let us start with the product-oriented tour package. The first of all, meaning of product-oriented package tours. Tourism product is an experience which tourist gets at the destination. He purchases the components in lieu of money spent, satisfies needs. He or she purchases a package tour, then a successful trip will be the one which satisfies his or her needs. Human behavior and expectation vary from person to person. So, it is not easy to any destination to satisfy all because of all elements of a package tour may not be available for every tourist. So, while making a package tour, a tour operator should understand the psychology of the individuals or the target group of tourists according to the participants' motivation. Thus, each package varies from others according to the demands of clients. Like a pilgrimage package will be different than beach resort package. So, in marketing of a tour package, all considerations should be kept in mind. These considerations obviously change time to time and group to group and according to the nationality like ethnicity, age, sex, income and literacy level, awareness of the tourist. Tourism demand is a greater extent is a drive demand which is considerably influenced by the advertisement, publicity, existing trends, suggestion by friends and relatives and several other internal and external factors. Tourist's decision to visit a place is thus an outcome of the interplay of several factors. Next point, types of product-oriented package tour. Tour package for hill resort. The hills and mountains have cool and pleasant environment. Normally, the Indians prefer to visit the hills in summer season when the plains are very hot. Most of the hill stations were developed by the Britishers because summer season was unbearable for them. Nowadays, some tourists visit the hills in winter also to celebrate Christmas or New Year's or to participate in winter sports. There may be several other reasons to visit the hill stations: hard or soft trekking, enjoying the natural beauty and environment, study the flora, fauna and geography, participation in adventure activities and to see local culture. By and large, it is pleasure trip. The purpose varies according to the profile of the tourist. The honeymooners and the family tourists go to enjoy the environment, while the youth prefer to see more and more places as destination. Therefore, on the basis of the tourist demands, following tour package covering some important destinations of Himachal Pradesh can be offered to middle-aged group tourists. Tour itinerary: Delhi, Simla, Manali, Chandigarh, Delhi. Day 1, leave Delhi at 7 a.m. Breakfast at Oasis Restaurant, Karnal, and route visit Pinjore Garden. After Pinjore Garden, reach Delhi, Shimla, night stay at Shimla. Second day, first half visit Kufri and Wildflower Hall. Second half, stay at Shimla. Day third, day free tourists may go for sightseeing or shopping. Night stay at Shimla. Day 4, leave Shimla at 7 a.m. and route lunch at Sundarnagar. Arrive at Manali in the evening. Night stay at Manali. Day 5, Manali. Visit Rohtang Pass. Second half, visit Buddhist Monastery, Hardimba Temple, Nehru Kund, Vasisht Kund. Night stay at Manali. And day 6, tourists may go for local sightseeing, shopping, etc. Day 7, Manali to Chandigarh. Leave Manali at 7 a.m. Breakfast is Kullu and route lunch. Night journey to Delhi. Then day 8, arrive Delhi by morning. Next, package tour for winter sports. This is a recent trend of tourism in India. Earlier, the winter season was lean season in hill, especially for the accommodation sector, when very few tourists used to go to hill station. What due to the publicity, impacts of the films and TV, every growing awareness, increasing attractions, participant in winter games, or to see snowfall. Provision of off-season discounts, more and more tourists are now visiting hill stations like Simla, Oli, and Darjeeling, etc. Particularly on the eve of Christmas Day, New Year's, some hill stations are popular among youth due to the winter sports facilities offered by them. Several state governments are organizing annual winter sports festival to attract more and more tourists. For example, Gulmarg, Simla, Kufri, Manali, Solang Nala, Oli, Darjeeling, etc. In these places, infrastructure facilities such as chair, ski have been developed beside training by adventure institutes are provided. These institutes also offer a variety of special packages which include training of 1 or 2 weeks, accommodation, food at subsidized prices, keeping in view the emergence of strong adventure tourist market. More and more tour operators are now concentrating on mountaineering, trekking, skiing, water sports. Their packages generally include transportation, accommodation generally in tents, food, and trainings. A model tour package for winter sports is illustrated as under. Day 1, Delhi Manali. Leave Delhi to Manali. Dinner at Ambala. Reach night Manali. Stay at Manali. Day 2, Manali. Whole day excursion. Day 3, Manali after breakfast visit Rohtang Pass. Second half Buddhist Monastery, Hardimba Temple, and stay Manali. And day 4, Manali after breakfast visit Himalayan Mountaineering Institute for registration and other information. Track to Nehru and Vasisht Kund. Day 5 to 11, Manali training for skiing or different other adventure activities, attraction, visit to monasteries, etc. Day 12, Manali, Delhi. Leave Manali in the morning, sightseeing Kullu, dinner at Chandigarh, and evening Delhi. Next, package tour for hot desert. There are 2 deserts in India. One is cold desert, Ladakh, and second is hot desert. What in common parlance, desert means hot desert. Rajasthan. Rajasthan attracts a large number of domestic and international tourists to destinations like Jaipur, Jodhpur, Ajmer, Pushkar, Mount Abu, Udaipur, and Jaisalmer, etc. In fact, it has become an important part of foreigners' itinerary. There are also several natural attractions in the state. Aravalli Mountains, reserves like Sariksa, Bharatpur sanctuaries, sand dunes, cultural attractions such as forts, palaces, temples, fair, festivals, handicraft, dances and music are all rich and unique in Rajasthan. So while making a package, one should include as many varieties of attractions as possible. One such package is given below, which includes important places of Rajasthan along with the relevant tourist activities. Day 1, Delhi Ajmer. Leave Delhi in the morning and route breakfast, stay at Ajmer. Day 2, Ajmer. Visit Dargah and Pushkar. Day 3, Ajmer, Udaipur. And route breakfast, arrive Chittorgarh, visit Chittorgarh Fort. After lunch, leave for Udaipur, stay at Udaipur. And day 4, Udaipur, visit Rana Pratap Memorial, Palace and Lakes, Udaipur. Day 5, Udaipur, Jodhpur. Leave Udaipur and route, see temples, arrive at Jodhpur, visit Jaswant, Thanda Fort, stay Jodhpur. Day 6, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. Leave and route breakfast, arrive Jaisalmer. Night stay at Jaisalmer. Day 7, Jaisalmer, visit fort, Havelis, lunch, then sand dunes, camel rides, stay Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer, Bikaner. Leave for Bikaner. Visit the fort and museums at Bikaner. Night stay at Bikaner. Bikaner, Jaipur. After breakfast, leave for Jaipur. Evening free. Then day 10, Jaipur, Delhi. After breakfast, visit city palaces, Jantar Mantar, Hawa Mahal, Amar Fort, lunch, and then depart for Delhi. Next, package tour for beach tourism. The winter months in the Europe, particularly Northwest Europe, are very important. The different type of cold, humid winds from Atlantic, which brings several form of different type of fog, moisture, snowfall, drizzling, etc. So residents of Europe had and continue to have a tendency to escape towards sandy south coastal regions so as to enjoy bright sunshine. Thus, beach tourism started over the times. Beach becomes crowded with different type of tourists gradually moving towards these areas. Subsequently, the tourists started moving to other beaches like Asian islands. In India, beach tourism started from Goa and at one became one of the most popular beach resort of world later. On beach tourism, Kerala is also there, Maharashtra is also there, Andaman Nicobar is there, Lakshadweep is there, islands, the different type of beach tourism, including leisure tourism, etc. Relaxation is the main purpose. It is not sightseeing. What tourists just lay down on sand to sun bath. Sometimes they take bath in the sea water or enjoy the water sports such as water skiing, wind surfing, boating, scuba driving, etc. In evening, they look for some entertainments, dances and music. In brief, one must remember that the day should be free for beach area with variety of foods and beverages. Such facilities are available in most of the beach resorts in the country. So the package of resort is great demand among the foreigners. The duration of such packages is normally long because the foreigners come for winter vacations. The following are the main examples related with the beach resort package. Beach Tour Goa package. Day 1, arrive Mumbai. On arrival, transfer to hotel. Here we will be holding the rooms on ready occupancy basis. After traditional welcome, check in hotel, overnight spend at hotel. Then day 2, explore Mumbai. We will visit the Juhu Beach, Gateway of India, Elephanta Caves in the evening. We have for you with us compact little Bollywood nights, camera action, guests in different others, and you will be free at your own leisure. Make your way through the various sets of typical film studios from a palace to the village, secure. See men with cameras mounted on shooting sequence, inviting your tours of family cities, and so on. This is important for the foreign tourists to see the different movies, how they are preparing these things. Day third, Mumbai, Goa. Today you will be transferred to airport to catch flight to Goa. On arrival, transferred to hotel. The rest of the day you are free to relax on the beach. In the evening, enjoy Goa cultural programs, themes to join the traditional carnivals, which is a part of the Goa's rich Portuguese heritage. Song, dances, great food, good wine, together beautiful. Discover the joy of Goa cuisines at a delighted buffet, overnight stay at hotel. Day 4, you will explore the North Goa and South Goa. In the evening, we have for you fishing village. Fishing village are part of Goa's rich cultural heritage. Local fishing village is created on the grounds of the hotel, forming a perfect backdrop for a charming evening in a very restrictive atmosphere overnight at hotel. Day 5. This day you are free to relax on beach. In the evening enjoy seafood, dinner, then different others, the local seafoods which will be part of the delighted. Then guests may also cook their own. Local musicians capture the magic of the moment on his guitar. Overnight stay at hotel. Day 6, Goa Cochin. On arrival at Queen of the Arabian Sea, you will be met by our representative and transferred to hotel. In the afternoon, enjoy city tour. Evening, then church is there, Dutch palace is there, Chinese fishing nets is there. In the evening, enjoy moonlight, boat cruise on the backwater of the Kerala. Then South Indian cuisine, thrilling fireworks display on an island of backwaters of Cochin concludes a wonderful evening overnight stay at hotel. Day 7, Cochin, Kerala village tour. Ride through the Kerala heartland in wooden boats through the green waters. Leave the crowded city behind as you move through the Kerala's lush beauty and enjoy packed lunch on board, which is small islands along with the way to glamp traditional life in village, traditional fish farm, Chinese nets, coconuts, paddy are just a few of sights you will see. Bird watchers, you will be see the different type of kingfishers, woodpeckers, overnight at hotel. Day 8, Cochin, Mumbai. Transport to airport to connect flight to Mumbai. On arrival, we will transfer you to hotel where we will be holding a few rooms for wash and change. In the evening, come with us for Mumbai sidewalk yatra. Mumbai, try out every single offering the sidewalk promises. Then all Indian culture, the crowds by the difference, try out the magazine stall, Euro shops and the different other goods, shopping for free. All this without a speck of dirt of your dishes. After that, have your dinner and transport to airport to connect international flight. Next, medical tour package. Medical tourism industry in India is booming at a very aggressive rate, leveraging its cost advantage and top quality treatments. India is regarded as one of the best and the cheapest medical tourism destination because of the cheaper rates for quality surgical treatments and other quality medical treatments. Royal Medical Tours Mumbai Private Limited provides treatment services with special tour package for the international patients. And Arise Royal Package Medical Tour includes following services: persons, one patient and two accompanying persons. For every extra day, you will be charged as per package charges. Airport pickup and drop at airport after your treatment by our executive. One company executive will accompany you from arrival till departure. Total appointment and coordination of doctors, diagnostic center, hospitals, arrangement for operation theatre if required, procurement of all required medicines as per doctor, hospital, travel related services, assistance like air ticketing, reservation arrangement with private tour operators. If you are interested, Indian foods like Mughlai, South Indian, seafood, seasonal fruits, visit to shopping malls for shopping and visit to multiplex theaters for entertainment if required, laundry arrangements, transportation by AC, station, car with driver till your treatment, cell phone will be provided by the company to you along with all emergency telephone numbers and should be returned before your departure back home. You pay as your talk basis. 5-star hotels, accommodation or 3 bedrooms, hall furnished apartment with AC, pre-treatment or post-treatment sightseeing by road or by rails to Goa, well-known beaches, Ajanta and Ellora, historical places, Mahabaleshwar hill station for as many days possible. Let us discuss a summary. Thus, we see that the tour packages are prepared according to the demand of clients, which varies from tourist to tourist, according to his or age, sex and income, from place to place, according to the nature of the destinations and activities. In fact, preparation of package tour needs innovation and imagination, which may result into maximum satisfaction of the tourist. The product-oriented tour packages are different type of products. Since India has a marvelous history of culture, traditions, customs, mountains, rivers, valleys. Every region in India has its own unique beauty. Every region has the capability to offer variety of tour packages as per the requirement of the clients or the tourist. Every region, take the case of Himachal Pradesh, the princes of the Dhaladars, the mountains, adventure tourism, Ayurvedic tourism, as well as water sports are there. Most of the adventure lovers, they used to visit in Himachal Pradesh. Most of the cases, Manali and Simla, the Kupri, the adventure sports are there. In Dharamsala, paraglidings are there to organize for the benefit of the tourist. So the state has the wonderful resources to offer different type of product-oriented tour package. Same way, when we talk about the Rajasthan, Rajasthan has the different type of culture, the cultural history, different type of palaces, the fort, as well as the heritage and the culture which helps the tourist to attract the tourists from different all over the world. It has different type of sand dunes, different type of festival, camel festival, and different type of other activities. So the Rajasthan offers various types of product oriented tour package to attract the tourist, which is wonderful to attract the tourists. Most of the tour participants, they are not coming for day to day, 1 or 2 days. They are coming for more than 30 days. Their stay is more than 30 days continuously. They want to explore new culture. They want to understand new culture. Since the different type of tour operators, they offer Rajasthan as culture oriented tour package. Moreover, India has different type of beaches like Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, as well as Kerala. The beach tourism is not only famous in European tourists, it is also famous among the Americans or other countries' tourists. Now, the beach tourism is also becoming more famous among the domestic tourists. Earlier, it was just confined to beach. Now, the tour operators have added different type of recreational activities in the beach tourism so that the tourists not just only enjoy the beach tourism, they also enjoy the local culture, local cuisines, local food, local dances, and they must visit the various type of destination in India. Goa has wonderful beaches which offers a variety of the beach tourism in Goa has become recently more famous not only the European tourists, but also among the domestic as well as the different other countries. Most of the tour operators, they are offering tour packages by adding the beach as well as the recreational facility. They are also offering different type of cuisines of Goa as well as the different type of culture, maybe the church, dances, customs and different other areas. Most of the tour operators, they are diversifying their product line to attract the both domestic as well as international tourists. Moreover, when we talk about the beach tourism in Kerala, they have different type of varieties to offer to the tourist. They have the guest house, the houseboats, delightful moonlights, different type of cuisines, the backwaters of like Cochin, South Indian food also. Even in Kerala, different type of tour operators, they are offering medical facilities or maybe Ayurveda or naturopathy for the tourist. So it means that most of the tour package, they are the composition of different segments, which includes the Kerala village tour, a ride through Kerala's heartlands in wooden villas, wooden boats are theirs, as well as the tourists, they will enjoy the rural village life. The fishing of village is there, so in that village, most of the tourists, they go there to see the different type of activities. And moreover, the domestic tour operators also diversifying their product line towards this beach tourism. Now coming to the medical tourism. The medical tourism has become recently more famous. It is not due to the diversification of the tour package or the product line. The Indian government has also recommended or announced various types of incentives for the promotion of the medical tourism in the country, because the medical facilities are offered for the general public of the country. These facilities are also used for the tourists, and this is the new initiative taken by the government to add tourism with medicals, and so that it is going to become more and more lucrative part on the side of the tour operator. Now tour operators, they are marketing the hospitals, hotels, as well as different type of diseases in different countries. So they are also marketing the different type of rates available in our country. The medical hospitals, they are offering very cheapest rate. They have different type of medical facilities which are not available in different developing countries. And if you compare the cost of these facilities in India to comparatively these are the less costly, and the people are coming to here. On the other hand, the person accompanying to the patient, they are also enjoying the local sightseeing tours, local shoppings are there, even local recreations are there, local culture is also there. So this type of tour packages are also becoming famous among the different countries' tourists. Now we can see that the India has plenty of resources which can be offered as product-oriented tour package to cater the diversity of the market globally, specifically for the FITs as well as the group tourists. Moreover, Indian tour operators, they have diversified more probably to add different type of segments, different type of product lines, different type of products. They are launching different type of products in order to cater the various types of tourists at this destination. The government of India is also extending various types of financial and non-financial incentives to the Indian tour operators to offer different type of product line. The government of India is also helping the tour operator to abroad India as a wonderful destination, as the multi destination, multi resources, multi product oriented destination abroad. And for this market assistance scheme launched by the Government of India for the Indian tour operators. Thank you very much for watching EPG Pathshala.